Booyah! Welcome to the luxury. If you're tired of your money sitting idle and ready to make it work for you, you're in the right place. This isn't about get-rich-quick schemes, it's about building real, lasting wealth. Today, we're breaking down the best stocks for rookie investors to build a rock-solid portfolio. We're talking fortress balance sheets, visionary leadership, and companies woven into our daily lives. I'll give you 5 powerhouse stocks, names you know, products you use, companies set for long-term success. Grab a notepad and get ready. This is your playbook for financial success. Ready to start your journey? Let's dive in. First up, the king of consumer tech, Apple, ticker symbol AAPL. When you think of innovation, design, and global influence, Apple is the name that comes to mind. It's not just a company, it's a cultural phenomenon that has shaped the way we live, work, and connect with each other. From the iconic iPhone to the sleek MacBook, Apple's products are everywhere, seamlessly blending into our daily routines and setting the standard for the entire tech industry. Apple isn't just a phone company, it's an ecosystem, a luxury brand, and a financial powerhouse. Their devices work together in perfect harmony, creating a seamless experience that keeps customers coming back for more. Walk into any Apple store, and you'll see the brand's commitment to quality, design, and customer service. This isn't just about selling gadgets, it's about building a lifestyle that millions aspire to. Their products create unmatched loyalty and recurring revenue through services like the App Store, Apple Music, and iCloud. Every time someone downloads an app, subscribes to a playlist, or backs up their photos, Apple earns a steady stream of income. This services segment is growing rapidly, and it's a big reason why Apple's business is more resilient than ever. The company has mastered the art of turning one-time buyers into lifelong customers. Beyond phones and computers, Apple's expanding universe includes wearables, like the Apple Watch, smart home devices, and entertainment platforms. These products and services are deeply integrated, making it easy for users to stay within the Apple ecosystem. This stickiness means customers rarely switch to competitors, giving Apple a powerful edge in the market. Tim Cook's steady leadership and Apple's fortress balance sheet make it a safe bet for new investors. Under Cook, Apple has continued to innovate while maintaining financial discipline, amassing one of the largest cash reserves in the world. This financial strength allows Apple to invest in research, weather economic storms, and return value to shareholders through dividends and buybacks. Apple's services business is a high-margin engine, smoothing out hardware cycles and driving growth. Even when iPhone sales fluctuate, the recurring revenue from services keeps profits strong and predictable. This diversification is a key reason why Apple remains a top pick for investors seeking both growth and stability. You see their success everywhere: iPhones, AirPods, MacBooks. Investing in Apple means investing in what you know. Whether you're at a coffee shop, on a train, or in a classroom, Apple products are part of the fabric of modern life. This widespread adoption gives Apple a unique advantage and makes it easy for investors to understand the company's value proposition. Yes, the valuation is high, but quality comes at a price. Apple's premium brand and loyal customer base justify its market value. Investors are willing to pay more for a company that consistently delivers innovation, reliability, and strong financial results. Apple is both a growth and value stock, offering stability and upside. It's rare to find a company that can deliver steady returns while still having room to grow. Apple's ability to adapt, expand into new markets, and launch new products keeps it at the forefront of the industry. For beginners, it's a no-brainer. Apple is a foundational stock to own and hold. Its track record, brand power, and financial health make it a smart choice for anyone building a portfolio. You're not just buying a stock, you're investing in a company that's shaping the future. Booyah! Apple is a buy. If you want a stock that combines innovation, stability, and long-term growth, look no further than Apple. It's the core of any strong portfolio. Next, the comeback king, Microsoft, ticker MSFT. Under Satya Nadella, Microsoft transformed from a Windows giant to a cloud powerhouse. Azure, their cloud platform, is growing fast and driving recurring revenue. Office 365 and Windows provide stable cash flow, while Xbox and gaming add growth. Microsoft's wide moat and embedded software make it nearly irreplaceable for businesses. They reward shareholders with dividends and buybacks, and their financials are rock solid. Diversification across cloud, software, and gaming reduces risk and boosts stability. Nadella's visionary leadership keeps Microsoft innovative and focused. For new investors, Microsoft offers growth, stability, and long-term potential. Quality isn't cheap. Microsoft is pure quality. Now, let's talk about the ultimate disruptor, Amazon. Ticker symbol, AMZN. From its humble beginnings as an online bookstore in the 1990s, Amazon has transformed into a global powerhouse, reshaping the way we shop, work, and even think about technology. Today, it stands as a symbol of relentless innovation and ambition, touching nearly every aspect of our daily lives. Amazon dominates the world of e-commerce, setting the gold standard for logistics, speed, and customer service. With a vast network of fulfillment centers, a fleet of prime delivery trucks, and a workforce dedicated to efficiency, Amazon ensures that millions of packages reach doorsteps around the globe every single day. Its Prime membership program has cultivated a fiercely loyal customer base, offering fast shipping, exclusive deals, and a suite of digital perks that keep shoppers coming back for more. But behind the scenes, the real profit engine is Amazon Web Services, or AWS. This cloud computing giant quietly powers much of the digital economy, providing the backbone for startups, Fortune 500 companies, and even government agencies. AWS's reliable, scalable infrastructure supports everything from streaming services to online banking, making it indispensable in our increasingly connected world. Its consistent growth and high margins have turned AWS into a financial juggernaut, fueling Amazon's broader ambitions. The profits from AWS don't just sit idle, they're reinvested into bold new ventures. Amazon is rapidly expanding into digital advertising, leveraging its massive user data to compete with tech giants like Google and Facebook. In healthcare, Amazon is making waves with products like Amazon Halo and its acquisition of PillPack, aiming to revolutionize how we manage our health. The company's streaming service, Prime Video, is now a major player in entertainment, while Alexa-powered smart devices are becoming fixtures in homes worldwide. Innovation is at the heart of Amazon's DNA. From pioneering robotics in its warehouses to launching cashierless Amazon Go stores and testing drone deliveries, Amazon is always pushing the boundaries of what's possible. Its global reach continues to expand, with new markets opening up and fresh opportunities emerging every year. The company's willingness to experiment and invest in the future keeps it ahead of the competition. Of course, with such rapid growth and constant innovation, volatility is part of the package. Amazon's stock price can swing with market sentiment, regulatory news, or global events. But for long-term investors, these dips often present valuable buying opportunities. The company's track record of bouncing back stronger than ever makes it a favorite among those with patience and vision. At the helm is Andy Jassy, Amazon's CEO, who brings deep expertise from his years leading AWS. Jassy's leadership is focused on driving innovation, maintaining Amazon's customer obsession, and steering the company through its next phase of growth. His experience in scaling AWS gives Amazon a unique edge as it navigates new challenges and opportunities. International expansion is a key pillar of Amazon's strategy. The company is investing heavily in emerging markets, adapting its services to local needs, and leveraging digital trends to reach new customers. As more people around the world come online and embrace e-commerce, Amazon's runway for growth only gets longer. And don't let the high share price intimidate you. Fractional shares now make it possible for anyone to own a piece of Amazon. Whether you're a seasoned investor or just starting out, you can participate in Amazon's growth story without breaking the bank. For growth-focused investors, Amazon remains a core holding, a company that continues to redefine industries, set new standards, and shape the future of commerce and technology. Let's talk about Alphabet, parent of Google. Tickers. Google, Goog. Google Search is a virtual monopoly, printing cash through digital advertising. YouTube, the world's second-largest search engine, is a cultural and financial juggernaut. Android and Google Cloud add more growth engines and global reach. Alphabet's other bets like Waymo and Verily offer high-upside innovation. A fortress balance sheet and massive buybacks give Alphabet financial muscle. Sundar Pichai's leadership balances innovation with profitability. Alphabet is a diversified tech giant, stable, innovative, and undervalued. For beginners, it's a cornerstone. You're buying the internet's front door. Buy, buy, buy. When it comes to building a resilient, diversified portfolio, few names inspire as much confidence as Johnson & Johnson, ticker symbol, J&J. This is a company that has become synonymous with stability and reliability in the world of investing, making it a cornerstone for those seeking both growth and peace of mind. Founded over 130 years ago, Johnson & Johnson has a rich legacy of trust, innovation, and leadership in healthcare. From its humble beginnings, producing surgical dressings, it has evolved into a global powerhouse, shaping the future of medicine and wellness for generations. Today, J&J's pharmaceutical and medtech divisions are at the forefront of medical breakthroughs. Their cutting-edge research and advanced technologies not only drive the company's growth, but also help improve and save lives around the world. This dual focus gives J&J a unique resilience, allowing it to adapt and thrive even as the healthcare landscape changes. Healthcare is a non-cyclical sector, meaning demand remains steady regardless of economic ups and downs. J&J's earnings have proven remarkably stable, weathering recessions and market volatility with ease. This consistency is a rare and valuable trait, especially for investors who want to sleep well at night. What truly sets Johnson & Johnson apart is its status as a dividend king. For over 60 consecutive years, the company has increased its dividend payouts, rewarding shareholders with reliable, growing income. This makes J&J a favorite for those looking to harness the power of compounding and build wealth steadily over time. Recently, J&J completed a strategic spin-off, sharpening its focus on high-growth, high-margin businesses. This move positions the company to capitalize on emerging opportunities in pharmaceuticals and medical technology, ensuring it remains a leader in innovation and profitability. With a rock-solid AA credit rating, one of only a handful of companies in the world to hold this distinction, J&J is truly a financial fortress. Its global reach spans more than 60 countries, giving it unmatched scale and access to diverse markets and talent. While it may not grab headlines with flashy growth, Johnson & Johnson is the bedrock of any well-constructed portfolio. Its slow, steady, and reliable performance provides a strong foundation, allowing investors to weather storms and stay focused on long-term goals. For new investors who might feel anxious about market swings, J&J offers peace of mind. Its proven track record, dependable dividends, and commitment to innovation make it an ideal choice for those just starting their investment journey, as well as seasoned pros. In a world obsessed with the next big thing, sometimes boring is beautiful. Johnson & Johnson may not be the flashiest stock, but its enduring strength and stability make it beautifully boring, and that's exactly what makes it so valuable. There you have it, 5 powerhouse stocks to kickstart your investing journey. Apple, Microsoft, Amazon, Alphabet, Johnson & Johnson. These titans can help you build real long-term wealth, but remember, this is education, not advice. Do your own research, read reports, listen to calls, and understand what you're buying. The more you learn, the more confident you'll become as an investor. If you found this helpful, hit like and subscribe for more insights. Drop a comment with your favorite stock pick. Let's get the conversation going. Good luck on your journey to financial freedom. Now go make some money. Booyah!